Hello, Satnam. My name is Riikka and I am a Kundalini Yoga teacher of dynamic meditations, of mindfulness, of embodied wisdom and connection between our body, mind, and soul. I do coachings and I do healing work. And today we're going to do a breath work for neutral mind in times of trouble, in times when we need to just be able to zoom in and zoom out from triggers, from emotions, from situations that are not optimum, then this practice is for you. And if you like this, what I'm doing, please like and subscribe and share with people that might need this. It's a very simple 3-minute exercise that can make a whole lot of difference. So let's start. To begin, bring your palms together in front of your heart and bring your thumb into your breastbone. And press the right hand to the left. So you're feeling that two sides, the dark and the light, the yin and the yang, the manifested and the energetic meeting each other. And just energetically, the plus and the minus, you're starting to create a circuit where energy is flowing inside of you. You can already feel that it's somehow special position. And then you can close your eyes and bring your eyes to the third eye point, which is just above your eyebrows here, where your nose meets your forehead. And then take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And if it's hard for you to keep your eyes closed, then just look down, soften your gaze, allow your nervous system to know that everything is okay right now. And just take a deep breath in again through your nose and engage your root lock. Your anus, sex organs, and navel center are scooping in and up gently so that your lower body has a kind of a hold, and your heart, your throat, your neck, and your jaw are releasing. Your chin is slightly tucked in into the neck lock. And then slowly, gracefully breathe out and hold your breath out, completely empty. And then again, root lock. Anus, sex organs, and navel center scooping in and up. And then release your breath and release your hands and bring them on your palms facing upwards on your knees, and just feel how you feel. Great. And then you can flutter your eyes open. And here is the mudra. We're going to do this for 3 minutes. And let me put my timer here. So the mudra is index finger and thumb touching and crossing across your heart, with the left being closer to your heart. And in this position, we're going to take 4 sniffs in through the nose. And then through the mouth out. And then continue with this. Continue with this rhythm. And again, you can close your eyes and bring your eyes to the third eye point with your chin slightly tucked in so that your neck is relaxed, falling upwards. Keep doing that. And notice how your diaphragm and your navel center are being activated. Now, see if you can relax your shoulders, that your shoulders are not coming up, so that it's just really down here. Of course, you don't have to be totally super strict, but just notice that if you're really doing a lot with your shoulders, allow your shoulders, your shoulder blades, your shoulder girdles, and all the little muscles here on the top relax, and your chin is slightly tucked in so that your neck can fall upwards. Doing great. We're more than halfway there. Keep on going. We're way into our last minute. And this mudra crossing over your heart, all kinds of crosses and diagonals are a way of cutting cords with attachment, cutting cords of bitterness and anger. That is really the true liberation, to cut cords with anything that is holding back our energy, holding back our full potential to focus and invest in ourselves, in our better future, in our being able to hear our higher self talking to us. Last few times, last 3 rounds. And last round together. Now take through your nose a deep breath in. Hold your breath, engage the root lock again. Anus, 6 organs, and navel center. For men, it's the perineum more than anything else. Heart relaxing, shoulders relaxing, and feel how your spine is tight and the energy is rising up. And slowly, gently release your breath, release this mudra, palms facing upwards on your knees, and feel how you feel. This is a perfect moment to start a longer 15 minutes meditation, silent meditation. So you can pause this video or just feel now how you're feeling. Feel how you're only with 3 minutes connected to yourself in a completely different way. Remember this state. Remember that you can always return to this state. Take a deep breath in and bring your palms together in front of your heart, same way we had it in the beginning. Take a deep breath in. Really suck in this knowledge of how you feel right now, your own power, your own integrity, your own peace of mind, and breathe out. Take a second breath in and feel how you're rooted to Mother Earth, how that carries you, how that nourishes and nurtures you. You can never fall off the earth. And when breathing out, feel how the energy is rising and lifting up into the skies, into the protective atmosphere around us. And let's take a third breath in and feel your aura. 6 feet, 2.5 meters around you, filled with bright, beautiful light, white light, golden light. And breathing out. And with gratitude and inner peace, I say Satnam, meaning truth is my name, truth is my identity, in this beautiful Gurmukhi language. And I wish you a beautiful continuation of your day. Satnam. Goodbye.